Today we're going to redesign an AI security software camera system, and I have not currently looked at any of these, so this is my first time seeing it. Yeah, so let's do this one. I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot and I'm going to pull it over into Figma. So I'm going to look it over here for a minute and just kind of get a feel for what it is they do and who they have as a target customer. I have 53 minutes on the clock, so I'm not going to go past that. And let's get started here. So I'm just going to do the hero section. I'm going to get the wireframe set up here in Figma, and then we're going to do more of the design afterwards. So we've got our wireframe down. Now comes the fun part. We're actually going to do some design. This is my favorite part of every single project. It's the part where you try something out and it just simply doesn't work. So I went back to the drawing board and I'm gonna restart. We only got 26 minutes left, so I do have to hurry a little bit, but I will figure it out. Alright, so this is how far I made it. I was hoping to get a little bit further. I wanted to get to some icon creation and maybe a little bit more of the graphical creation, but I got this far, so I'm going to go ahead and export it out and we'll look at the before and the after. So here's the before and the after. I do think there were improvements in the hierarchy and just cleaning things up and simplifying things. There wasn't as much distraction in terms of these older graphics compared to the newer graphics. I was hoping to get into a little bit of 2D and 3D graphic creation, but I did run out of time. And one thing I would do if I did it over again, or if I had a little bit more time, I really like this section on the old site where it shows a little bit more about the case studies or the results that customers are seeing. And so I really wish I would have put that, or I had a little bit more time to put that in the new design. But overall, I do think it's a pretty big improvement. And taking this from about 60% where it is right now to 100%, we'd see a lot of improvements in terms of the performance of the website. Hope you like this one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.